second part for the exercise number 4.3. In the first video we have done till question number 6.2. So today we'll begin from question number 7.1. So question number 7.1, you have 50x square minus 2x minus 2 whole square. So let me remind you, we are doing the sum based on difference of two squares, that is a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. So now the questions are based on this difference of two squares, so we need to convert the given question in the form of a square minus b square. So you see 50 is not a perfect square, so what we will do is we'll try to see if there is any common which can be taken out. So here you see that 2 can divide 50 by 25 times, so we can now take 2 as common here. So when I take 2 as common, I'll have here 25x square, because 2 into 25x square will give me 50x square, minus this 2 has come out as common here, so I am left with x minus 2 whole square. So this is what I have within the bracket. Now let's simplify further by writing 25 as 5 square x square minus x minus 2 whole square. Now you see that 5 square x square can be written as 5x whole square minus x minus 2 whole square. So now you can easily see that 5x can be considered as a, and here I have a square. X minus 2 can be considered as b, and I have a square here. So now I get a square minus b square, which is in the form of this formula that we have been doing since the last video. So now let's expand the one that you have within the bracket, that is a square minus b square, in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So this is what we get. Now let us simplify further. Let's remove the bracket, this bracket. So I'll have 5x. Now since in front of the bracket we have minus, so this minus will be multiplied to both the numbers that I have within the bracket. So minus into x will give me minus x, minus into minus 2 will give me plus 2. Bracket close. The other bracket I have here 5x, here I have plus. So when I remove the bracket, the contents within the bracket remain same, because I have plus in front of the bracket. Now let's see what further I can do. So here I can write 5x minus x will give me 4x, isn't it? 5x 5 वटा x मा एउटा x घटाउँदा 4टा x. Okay, so 4x plus 2. Similarly here what do I get? I get here 5x plus x, I'll get 6x. 5x plus one more x, 6x minus 2. Now let's see, I can further simplify this by writing 2. I have here this 2 into here 4 and 2. I can take 2 as common, so I'll get 2x plus 1. Here also I have 6 and 2, so here also I can take 2 as common, so I'll have 3x minus 1. 2 into 3, x will give me 6x. 2 into this 1 will give me 2. So I have taken 2 as common. So now you see that 2 and into 2 into this 2 will give me 8, and the remaining numbers are 2x plus 1, which I have here in the bracket. Here I have 3x minus 1. Now don't get confused regarding this 2. This 2, this 2 and this 2 has been multiplied. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, which I have written here. So this is the ultimate solution that you get for question number 7.1. Now let's move to the next number, question number 7.2. 7.2, you have x minus 2, okay, into x plus 2, then you have plus 3. So let's see what we can do here. If you see the question properly, this question is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, and you know a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So here you see that x is a, 2 is b, so I can write x square minus b square plus 3. So that will give me x square minus 4 plus 3. That is going to give me x square minus 4. When I open the bracket, I'll have plus 3. That will give me x square minus into plus is minus into plus is, it is minus. So this sign and this sign will give me minus. So 4 minus 3 will give me 1. 4 is a greater number and it has a sign minus, so I'll have the minus sign here. So this one can be written as square. So here again I get in the form of a square minus b square, which means a minus b into a plus b. So hence from here I can write x minus 1 into x plus 1 as the answer for this x square minus 1 square. So this is the solution for question number 7. Okay, now let's do question number 8.1. Question number 8.1 has a question x minus 2y minus x square plus 4y square. Okay, so now this can be written as x minus 2y minus x square plus 4 can be written as 2 square y square, because 2 square is 4, 2 into 2, equals to x minus 2y minus x square plus, here I have a square, here I have a square, so I will write 2y within bracket and square as the common. Okay, so now what am I further going to do here is, see, I will write x minus 2y within bracket, then I'll take this minus as common. So when I take that minus as common, I'll get x square. Okay, so let me change this bracket. I'll write square bracket here, x square. Now since I've taken minus as common, so this plus will become minus. Okay, and here I have 2y whole square bracket close. Now why am I getting this sign here as minus? Because I have to get plus here, so minus into this minus will give me plus, so that is why I have a minus sign here. All right, so in the next step, now what am I going to do is I will write x minus 2y within bracket minus, now within bracket you see that this is x square minus 2y square, that is in the form of a square minus b square. So I can write this number as x minus 2y into x plus 2y. All right, so this is how I will simplify this. Now you see that x minus 2 here and x minus 2 here, so I can take that as common, so I'll get x minus 2y as common, and within bracket yo niskepasi ke rayo 1, and this minus will come here. This has been taken out as a common here, so this is what I'm left with here. So x minus 2y within bracket. Now let's remove the bracket. So I'll have x minus 2y. Now here when I remove the bracket, 1, so bracket agadi minus bakole garda bracket bhitra bakolai sign change garnu paryo. So x which was positive becomes negative, 2y which is positive becomes negative. So this is the final solution for question number 8.1. Now question number 8.2. 8.2 is also very much similar to 8a. So here I have 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b. Okay, so here I will again make a pair and put them in bracket. So 4 can be written as 2 square, so 2 square a square minus b square, this within bracket, plus 2a plus b within bracket. So here I can write this 2a as a single number with common power, that is 2, minus b square bracket close plus 2a plus b equals to, here now you see again this is in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a minus b into a plus b as a single number here, plus 2a plus b another number. So now you again see that 2a plus b and 2a plus b are common here, so take that as common. So 2a plus b by niske पछि भित्र के रह्यो, this one that is 2a minus b. यो निस्केपछि यहाँ +1 common, the number left is +1. Now let's remove the bracket. So we'll have 2a plus b, and here 2a minus b plus 1. So this is the solution for question number 8(2). Okay, the next question now, question number 9(1). Question number 9(1) looks like this. You have a minus 2 within bracket minus b minus 2 within bracket. Now let's rewrite this by removing the brackets. A into a will give me a square. The sign here I have is minus. A into 2 will give me 2a. Similarly here, when I remove the bracket, minus b into b will give me minus b square. Minus into minus will give me plus. 2b into 2, b into 2 will give me 2b. So now let's rearrange this, okay, by writing the square number together. So a square minus b square, this and this number I'm writing together here as a group, and minus 2a plus 2b as another number. Okay, so now I can see that this is in the form of a square minus b square. I can rewrite this as a minus b into a plus b, which we have been doing since the very first number. Here I'll take 2 as common. So minus 2 common nikaleपछि this becomes a, and this plus becomes minus 2. This 2 has come out as common, leaving behind b. So I have 2a minus b. So now in this question, what do you see? A minus b, and this a minus b is common. So I can write this a minus b here, and the remaining number that is left is a plus b, and here it is minus 2. This is another number. So now this, after removing the bracket, I can write a minus b. Now let's remove the bracket, a plus b minus 2. So this is the solution for question number 9(1). Okay, so now let's see question number 9(2). So 9(2), question number 9(2) looks like this. It is again very much similar to 9(1), that is a minus 1 within bracket minus b minus 1. See, the question is very much similar to this question, that is question number 9(1). All right, in place of 2 here you have 1 here in this question number 9(2). So I hope you will easily catch up how to solve this. Now first of all, let's solve this by removing the bracket. A into a will give us a square. A into minus 1 will give me minus a. Here minus into plus, or you can say minus b into b will give me minus b square. Minus into this minus, and this minus gives me plus. B into 1 will give me b. So here again I'll rearrange or rewrite this square and square together. A square minus b square, I'll make this as a group. Then the remaining number is minus a, and this is my plus b. So here it is again a square minus b square, which you can write as a minus b into a plus b. So let me group this as a single number. Here from this part of the solution I'll take minus as common. So minus common nikalda, I'm left with a minus b, because minus into this minus should give me this plus. So now if you see, a minus b and a minus b are common here, so a minus b comes out. When a minus b comes out, this a plus b is left alone here. Minus a minus b has come out, so in place of that I am left with 1. So now let's remove the bracket. I'll get a minus b into a plus b minus 1. This is the solution for question number 9(2). Okay, so let's do 2 more questions from question number 10 for this video. Okay, question number 10(1). So let's write the question. Question number 10(1) looks like 9 minus x square plus 2xy minus y square. Now if you see in this question, this part of the question and this 9 can be written as 3 square, no issues. But here if you see, it is x square minus x square plus 2xy minus y square, and you know this kind this formula, a plus b whole square was a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square was a square minus 2ab plus b square. This you have done in exercise number 4.1, isn't it? So this also looks somewhat like this. See, a square plus 2ab minus b square, but here you see it is plus b square, but here you have minus y square, that is minus b square. So let's rewrite this like this. 9, I will write this as 3 square. Now I'll take minus as common. So now when I take minus as common, x square, which was minus, becomes positive, plus 2xy, which is positive, becomes minus 2xy, minus y square, which is negative, minus, isn't it? That becomes plus y square. Now if you see properly, this question looks very much similar to this. A square minus 2ab plus b square. बनेको चाहिँ के हो? a minus b whole square. That means x minus y whole square. So see, again the question has been converted into a square minus b square. So here a is 3, b is x minus y. So a square minus b square can be written as a minus b, okay, into, or you can just say into 3 plus x minus y. That is, you can see this as a minus b, a plus b. Now let's remove the bracket. It's 3, since the minus sign in front of the bracket, so the number within the bracket changes its sign. Plus x becomes minus x, minus y becomes plus y. So 3 minus x plus y. Here 3 plus x minus y. So this will be the solution for question number 10.1. Alright, so now let's go to the last question for today, question number 10.2. 10.2 looks like this: 9x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 1 within bracket. So this I can write, this is also very much similar to this, only this part is similar to this part. So I can write this as 3 square x square whole square. X to the power 4 I am rewriting in this way to make a perfect square, minus here x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. So here 2x like this, so 2 into x into 1, just to make this near or same as a square plus 2a, 1 is b plus b square. यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो? a plus b whole square. So in the next step I will write 3x square whole square minus this a square plus 2ab plus b square भनेको चाहिँ के रहेछ? x plus 1 whole square. So you see, now again the question has turned itself into a. This 3x square is a square, x plus 1 is b square. So I have a square minus b square. So now this can be solved. Okay, so here I have a square, so I can rewrite this as a minus b into a plus b. So here 3x square is a, x plus 1 is b. So a minus b, a plus b. Now let's remove the bracket. I'll get 3x square minus x minus into plus minus 1. Here 3x square plus x plus 1. This is the solution for question number 2. 10.2. Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll do further in the next session. All right, thank you so much.